Hi everybody, this is the little quick tip of the week. After you have closed one part of your tube like this, you make sure you put your scarf flat on the table to make sure it's not twisted. When you found a row that it's perfect line, you get your yarn needle with a contrasting yarn on it, and you will go slowly but surely, grab all the stitch from the same row till the end of your scarf. Only that time you'll be able to close the other part of the tube, so that way you make sure that it's still flat and not twist. So let me see how I did mine. So I used the yarn needle like this, follow one line. I went like every 5 or 6 stitch or rows, but I always stay on the same line. So I will do that till the end of the tube. That will prevent me to close the other end and have a twisted scarf. It's gonna take like 3 or 4 minutes to do that, so it's not a waste of time, because it's gonna be better as a finishing project. It'll look cuter and more professional. So when it's all done like this, you could go and just make sure everything is perfectly in this at the place that it should be, and time to close the other end. So hope this little tip helped you. See you next time. Ciao ciao, and thank you for the support to my channel. Have a great day.